Hey, Brainiac,
Yo.
teach me and some people that want to learn how to drive a stick. Teach me how to drive a stick. Show me something. You say you sensei.
Man, I'm fucking with you.
Come on, do it for YouTube. You,
Right.
Mr. Sensei, I'm the best at driving the stick. Come on.
Let me show you amateur night something. What you want to know?
Everything. Coming from a rookie point of view, somebody learning. Come on, what they need to know?
Ride it till you find it.
Grind it till you find it. There you go. This truck dirty. My back killing me.
All right. Basic 101. Let's start up here. 10-speed eating fuller. Okay, that's the basics, right? First thing first, one of the things we want to know is our walls. We got our driver's side wall, middle wall, passenger side wall. Before we can get in one of the gears, we got to line up with the walls to be able to go forward or backwards. All right, let me show you what I mean. Right now, I'm pushing to the passenger side. I can't go no further. I'm hitting your wall. Right now, I'm pulling to the driver's side. I'm hitting my wall. I can't go no further. I can hit a middle wall. See how I'm hitting something right there? That's the middle wall. I can also pull through that middle wall and hit my driver's wall. So I got 3 walls. Passenger wall, middle wall, my wall. Okay? Before I can go in the gear, we're going to get lined up. So when we drive on the road, typically we start off in 4th gear. Okay? So in order to start off in 4th gear, we're going to hit the passenger side wall, and then we're going to go forward. Now I'm in 4th gear. To be able to go to 5th gear is going to be straight back. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a slight push to that wall, and then I can go straight back into 5. Okay, so working those first couple of gears, remember, we're going to use the wall, passenger wall, and then push forward. We lined up with 4 or 5 once we hit that passenger wall. Or if I'm lining up with the driver's side wall, I'm going to line up with the driver's side wall. Forward is going to be reversed. Backward is going to be first. So I'm going to line up with the wall and then pull straight back. While I line up with the wall, push straight forward. And I want to start it up.
Well, start it up then. God damn it. You're supposed to be sensei. Let's go.
But it's going to be loud. You might not be able to hear me.
We'll talk up. Speak up.
All right, now, once we get the truck started, first thing first, in order to be able to put the truck in gear, give me the eyes down here. In order to be able to put the truck in gear, we can't press the clutch all the way to the floor. If we press the clutch all the way to the floor, we're on the clutch brake. And then when we try to put it in gear here, it's going to give us a fight. So the proper position to be is all the way to the floor, then back just a couple inches. That's where we're going to put the truck in gear at. That's where we're going to change the gear at. Whenever we're doing anything on and off of that clutch, that's where we're going to work at. To the floor, back just a little bit. Now, once we do that, then we're ready to go in 4. We put the truck in 4th gear. Press our parking brakes in. And then we're ready to rock and roll.
Okay.
Daddy.
We here at MVA for Miss Nancy Test. We want her to have a successful test today. She over there testing now. They don't really like us to have cameras here recording, so I'm trying to do the best I can to get a little footage while we're here without getting in trouble. That's the bus right there. That's the test course over there where the cone's at. So hopefully we're looking to have a successful day today. Alright, that was the forward stop. She just completed that forward stop. Now we're going to see her pull up to the top. We're going to see her do some straight line backing next. That was good. Looked like she got that from here.
That'd be good.
Huh?
You doing testing?
That's my student.
Oh.
Mhm. We're gonna straight line back all the way out. She's gonna come all the way out of these cones. Nice and smooth like she's doing. We're gonna get that front bumper behind that cone right there. A little more, Miss Nancy. A little more. A little more. Boom, right there. Alright, we just completed our straight line backing. Examiner gonna walk over. Now that's the one where we pulling forward, going from one lane to the next. Keeping our driver side, keeping our passenger side rear tire going through the line. Going through the zone, I should say. Alright. That was forward offset. Now we're about to complete reverse offset.
Bang it, daddy.
How we doing, Miss Nancy? Good. You put in the work.